Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create custom text or how to place the custom text in Filmora X and how to manipulate them. Now let's begin. The first thing, you come to text here. There are many types of text you can use in Filmora X depending on the sections like custom, openers. Now if you come to custom openers, initially if you're using this for software, here is empty. Now these are some of the custom text I've made over time. For example, if I drag all of them here and you see how they look. For example, if you look at this one here, you see these are one I made, and even if I look at this one here, so you see this one, I even put the keyframe there. If I look at this one here, I see how it plays like so. So how do you make custom text? Also, let me try this one here. See, this one is drawing like that. Now I'll just delete all of this like so. I'll delete all of them. Then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to titles here, and I'm just going to use these titles here. I'm just going to use a simple title like this one. I'll just drag it here. Then I'll just make sure my cursor is there. Now I want to use this. Let me use the most simple one, this one here. Then I'll just drag it there. Then I make sure my cursor is on top of it. Then I'll do this, I'll double click so that it gives me the options. Now after it comes to these options here, I don't want to go to these presets. There are these options here that you can use. For example, if I write here maybe enjoy the music, maybe I give it enjoy the music. Now if I come to this preset text options, I'll just click here and it will change the color, you see. But I don't want to do that. I'll come here where it's written advanced, so that I can edit it more, give me more capabilities. Now to give me this dialog box here, if the first option is the preset ones, I don't want to use that. I'll just come to customize here. Now if I come to customize here, if I want to change the color, there are also some colors here, maybe I change. But if I want more colors, I'll just come here and maybe I want it to be red, so I'll just say okay. I'll say okay and it will be reddish. But you remember here I've chosen gradient, but if I just want text field to be just like that, but I just want it to be gradient so that it blends between red and yellow. Then opacity, I'll just leave it like that. Then the border colors, maybe I want it to be another color, maybe bluish, or maybe let it to be bluish like that. Also, or if I want more colors, maybe I choose this blue here. Then say okay. Then maybe the opacity of that, I'll just leave it at that. The size of that, maybe I make it bigger like that. And then the other options, I'll just leave the shadow. If I want a shadow, if I want a black shadow, so maybe the distance of the shadow, maybe I put it more and more like that. Yeah, maybe I don't want to populate it so much, maybe put it up to there. Now if I want to change the font, I'll also come here and double click and select Control A. If I don't want the fonts, I'll come here under the fonts. Then I'll just scroll. Maybe I want a font that is more of calligraphy like this one here. Then I'll just leave it at that. Maybe I want to change the size of the text, maybe to somewhere maybe between 100 like that. Now the next thing I want to do is animation. I want to put some animation so that the text enters in a good way. There are many animations here. Just come here. There are numerous animations here that you can use here. Like maybe I want to. There's one I'm looking for, zoom. Yeah. Maybe I want to use this one. I'll just double click it and it will just be applied here. And you can control the animations from here. Maybe you want where the animations to start. Maybe if I click here, yeah, you can easily control the animations and everything from this aspect here. Now the next thing, now I want to make it, if I want to reuse this text in many of my projects, I'll just come here and save as custom. I come here, save as custom, then I click it, then I'll give it a name. I'll give it a name, maybe I just give it enjoy the music. I'll give it a name, enjoy the music. Then I'll just say okay. Then I'll just say okay here. Now if you look here also, you see it's changed like so. So if I come and play here, you see how it becomes. Now how do I know that it has become a text or custom text? I just come here under customs, I'll look for it here. Here it is. If I want to use it in another place, I'll just come and drag it here and it will just play like that. You see, maybe if I want to drag it also here, it will just play. And this also, you can easily also manipulate it. If I want to change maybe to something else, maybe let's enjoy or welcome. So you can easily manipulate it into can easily change the font to the way you feel like. So it becomes custom. You can use it in many of your videos. Even next time, then you can easily use it in many places or in your subsequent videos that you produce. Now guys, that's how to create custom text. Thanks for watching my videos. Kindly go to the description section, get more aspects there, that you can more videos that I've done there. Have a nice day, have a nice time.